Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a delivery address from your Amazon account. This is particularly useful when you want to declutter old addresses or remove locations you no longer use for deliveries. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings to manage your addresses. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Account and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, scroll down through the different sections until you locate the option labeled Your Addresses. This section contains all the delivery addresses you've saved to your account over time. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new page displaying all your stored addresses in one convenient location. On the Your Addresses page, you'll see a list of all the addresses associated with your account. Take a moment to review them and identify the specific address you want to remove. Once you've found it, look for the Remove button located near that address. Click on this button to initiate the deletion process. This step ensures you're targeting the correct address for removal. After clicking Remove, Amazon will display a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to delete this address. This is an important safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Simply click Yes to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the address will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed an unwanted delivery address from your Amazon account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.